A lot of people believe that you need to show your face and spend hours editing and create content manually to be successful on TikTok. That you have to be on camera, that you need expensive equipment, and there's no way to automate the process without losing authenticity. And if I'm honest, I used to think that too. I was spending 4 or 5 hours creating each TikTok video, showing my face every day, and I was completely burned out. I knew there had to be a better way, but I was so frustrated that I couldn't figure out how to scale my content creation without sacrificing quality. So I did what most people do when they're desperate. I tried every automation tool, every AI app, hoping one of them would magically solve my problems. And what I eventually realized was that I wasn't failing because automation doesn't work. It was because there were specific strategies and AI tools for TikTok automation that I didn't understand yet. And now that I've figured them out and built multiple faceless TikTok accounts that generate thousands of views daily on complete autopilot, I'm going to break down the entire system for you today. I'm going through what I believe are the most important steps to completely automate your TikTok content creation using AI, even if you've never used AI tools before. And this video is packed with the exact tools, prompts, and workflows I use, so grab a notebook. Don't be afraid to pause the video. Let's get into it. This system is going to change how you think about content creation forever. We're covering everything from AI script generation to automated voiceovers, faceless video creation, and even automated posting schedules. So grab a notebook, because I'm giving you my exact workflows that took me months to perfect. Don't be afraid to pause the video and take notes. This is information that people charge thousands for. Let's get into it. Number 1, you have to automate your idea generation. This is number 1 because 1, it's the foundation of everything we're doing, but it's also what separates successful automated accounts from those that fail. Most people try to automate the video creation but still manually brainstorm ideas. That's backwards. Look, I didn't want to think of new content ideas today, this week, or honestly, ever again. I deal with creative block just like everyone else, but I've built a system that generates viral TikTok ideas 24/7. I made this system because I have made a commitment to consistency without the mental drain. And it's the same thing with automation. If you want to truly scale on TikTok, you have to automate the ideation process first. You have to have that systematic approach. I use a combination of ChatGPT, trend analysis tools, and automated competitor research that runs every single day. It only takes me 10 minutes to set up each week, and then it's completely hands-off. The system I'm about to show you generates 50+ video ideas per day based on viral trends in your niche. Automation doesn't just mean using AI tools randomly. It also means automated consistency in your brand voice, visual style, and messaging. People freak out about losing their personal touch with automation. But the reality is if you set up your AI prompts correctly and maintain consistent brand guidelines, your automated content will be more consistent than manual creation. 1. Because your AI follows the exact same brand voice every single time, so your audience knows what to expect from your content. Whatever the tone, the style, the value proposition is that you bring, the AI can replicate it perfectly every time. They can depend on you for consistent quality. But beyond that, it helps the TikTok algorithm understand your brand identity faster. When you show consistent visuals, messaging, and content style, the algorithm can categorize you more effectively. And you are going to reap the rewards in the way of faster growth and better reach because the algorithm knows exactly who to show your content to. You have to automate your trend research and competitive analysis. I feel like I've been saying this a lot lately where people comment and they're like, my automated content isn't getting views, the AI videos aren't working. And then I go look at their content, and they're using AI to recreate outdated formats. They're not researching current trends, it's very clear that they're just throwing AI at old ideas and hoping for the best. And so what I want for you is to adopt the mindset of data-driven automation. In manual content creation, we constantly research what's working so we can adapt quickly. And maybe it's the fact that AI can create content so fast that makes us feel like we don't need to research. We just prompt the AI and we'll magically go viral. but those days are gone. You can still automate everything, but you have to be strategic with what you're automating. So just like manual creators research competitors and trends, we need to automate that research process too. But automated trend research is actually much more powerful because AI can analyze thousands of videos in minutes. All you need to do is set up automated scrapers and trend analysis tools that monitor your niche 24/7. I use a combination of social media APIs, trend detection software, and AI analysis tools that identify viral patterns. They track viral videos in your niche, analyze the hooks, formats, and topics that are getting the most engagement. Then the system automatically generates content briefs based on what's working right now. The AI looks at viral videos from the past 7 days, identifies the common elements, and creates new variations. It's incredibly sophisticated and it's running while you sleep. You also want to automate hashtag research because trending hashtags change daily. I have AI tools that automatically find the best hashtags for each piece of content based on current trends and optimal reach potential. So if you want to learn more about setting up automated trend research, I'll show you the exact tools and workflows later in this video. You need to leverage AI to create more content than humanly possible. Posting more means you grow faster, and with AI you can create content at scale. You might see people saying, you can't maintain quality with automation. You really don't need to sacrifice quality for quantity anymore. I went from creating 1 video per day manually to 10+ AI-generated videos per day, and the quality actually improved because AI doesn't get tired, doesn't have bad days, and follows the exact same high standards every time. And I've helped dozens of clients build similar systems. But it is a fact that when I started using AI for bulk content creation, when I started generating multiple videos simultaneously, I started to grow exponentially faster because I was giving myself more shots at viral content. And most importantly, I was testing more variations of hooks, formats, and topics to find what worked best. And I was able to focus on the winning formulas and scale them up using AI, which allowed me to dominate my niche, go viral consistently, and grow multiple accounts simultaneously. As soon as you have your basic AI workflow set up, start scaling the volume. But there's 2 important caveats to this. Number 1, do not sacrifice your brand consistency to post more. It's not worth creating 20 videos per day if you're not maintaining your brand voice and visual standards. I would much rather you create 5 to 10 high-quality on-brand AI videos per day and maintain consistency. Number 2, there is a quality threshold you must maintain. If you start mass-producing low-effort AI content without any human oversight, TikTok's algorithm will detect it and suppress your reach. The platform can identify lazy AI content, and they will punish accounts that flood the platform with low-value automated videos. You need to start with imperfect AI automation. And I'm about to go through a couple of things that don't matter that you're overthinking so you don't have to worry about them anymore and you can take action. But it's really important that you just start creating AI content and don't worry about perfecting every detail initially. If you have an AI video that doesn't perform well or looks slightly off, who cares? Generate the next one. Don't spend hours tweaking prompts, just keep creating, keep testing, keep iterating. Then this is the next point. Focus on your AI wins. You will learn so much more from your AI videos that go viral than the ones that flop. Don't worry about the failures. Who cares? Generate more. Once you have a winning AI format, replicate it at scale. Keep using those successful prompts, that visual style, that content structure, because clearly it's working. Create more videos using that winning formula, and you're going to grow fast. Now let's knock out 2 things that you're overthinking that are slowing you down and preventing you from starting your AI automation. First, do I need expensive AI tools? The answer is absolutely not. Most of the tools I use are either free or cost less than $20 per month. I don't care what you're hearing about needing expensive enterprise AI software. I can tell you from building multiple successful automated accounts that budget tools work just fine. There's so many more important factors than having premium AI subscriptions. The second myth is, AI content looks obviously artificial. AI will not make your content look fake if you use the right techniques. I'm going to show you in a little bit how to make AI content that's indistinguishable from human-created videos. But you shouldn't be stressing about this because the most important thing when it comes to successful AI content is having the right prompts and workflows. Let's talk about the 3 most important things when you're creating manual TikTok content. The first one is the concept, because if you don't have a good concept, nobody's going to watch the video. The second thing is the execution, the filming, editing, and post-production, because that's what keeps people watching. And if your concept combined with poor execution can't hold attention, then TikTok will stop showing your videos and you won't get views. And then finally, the consistency of posting is essential. You see manual creators burning out because they can't maintain daily posting while keeping quality high. So the better that you're able to maintain consistency in both quality and frequency, the more the algorithm will reward you with views and growth. Now, all of these principles transfer perfectly to AI automation. If your AI doesn't generate good concepts, your automated videos will not succeed on TikTok. The AI has to understand what makes content engaging, because if the concepts are boring, people will just swipe past and your videos will die. The difference with AI automation is that instead of manual execution, you need perfect prompts and workflows. Instead of filming and editing yourself, you're engineering prompts that consistently produce engaging content. And one of the easiest ways to do that is with what you're putting in your AI prompts. So I really like to use detailed prompt templates that specify exactly the hook style, visual elements, and content structure I want. That way, the AI can nail the first 3 seconds of the video. This is the equivalent of your manual hook. This is where the AI has to capture attention. The AI literally has about 3 seconds worth of generated content to get viewers interested so they will continue watching. Whether it's a short-form video or longer content. But it all starts with a good AI prompt. So you need to make sure you're engineering prompts that generate proven content formats, instead of just hoping the AI creates something engaging by accident.